All right, solving this system of equations, and we get to pick the method again. It doesn't specify that we have to do any method in particular. This one, when they're stacked up in both in standard form, the combinations method's going to work pretty good, right? Especially because right now these almost add up to 0, the x's, and all we have to do is take and double this equation, and then we'll have 2x and negative 2x, and they'll cancel out. All right, so the top equation, I'm just going to keep it the same, double the bottom one, so negative 2x, positive 12y, and negative 30. Sorry for the poor handwriting. I guess I can fix it there. All right, and now when we add them together, the x's will disappear and give you 0 x's, and we'll have 7y, and then negative 14. Positive 16, negative 30, negative 14. Divide both sides by 7. All right, so now we got y, and now we just have to plug it in to find x. So you can use either equation again. I'm just going to use the bottom one here. So negative x plus 6 times negative 2 equals negative 15. And so we'd have negative x plus negative 12 equals negative 15. Add 12 to both sides, so it'll be negative 3. And then divide by negative 1, and we get positive 3. So our solution is x, 3, and y, negative 2. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.